Hi friends! So today we are going to work on gluing on our letter B. Our letter B. And it says bears on B. But you could use bears if you have gummy bears or if you have Teddy Grahams, or you could use cereal today, or you could use beans. Today I don't have any of those things. But I'm going to show you, I have Cheez-Its. So that's what I'm going to glue on. They don't start with the B sound, but anything will work. All right? So I'm going to glue on my Cheez-Its because they're orange, and our color this week is orange. So I was still making it go with our theme, just not the B. So B is long line down, and I'm fitting all my orange on the long line down, and then bump around, so gluing these on. There we go, and bump around. So long line down, bump around, letter B. And B says B. Now, B does not bark like my dogs. B says B. All right, I hope you're having a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye, friends.